Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And by the way, today is a Monday, so we're going to be talking about My Legion Secret, and I'm going to share with you some more information. In fact, today is going to be a hot topic for all of you guys who are in My Legion Secret. Keep coming back to my videos, keep asking me this question. So I'm going to answer it. I'm going to be talking about it. And I have a lot to say about this topic, so I hope you guys stay tuned. We're going to be talking about products. What are the products that you should be promoting with My Legion Secret? Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're coming back to watch these videos, if you're here for the first time, welcome. And we're going to go into the details of My Legion Secret, but I'm also just going to share with you in a second what my entire strategy is. So in case you are interested in it, you can find more information of this course. It's called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. I created a course related to this strategy. It's all in the description of this video. It costs $1 to get started in case you are interested. But you can just follow along with these videos absolutely for free as well. It's not like I hold anything back. The only difference between what you get on this channel and what you get in the course is in the course it's more hand holding, where I'm going to give you resources like prompts that I use for my email marketing. I'm going to share with you exact products that I am talking about on these videos and getting sales with every single day, and so on and so forth, right? So those are the advantages. You're getting added resources, added hand holding, as I call it, within the course itself. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. But otherwise, you can follow along these videos absolutely for free. I want to keep this content available for everybody. So what is the strategy that I follow? I leverage My Legion Secret, guys, to send to offers on affiliate marketing networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus mainly. And I make sales from that. Then I utilize that budget to be able to build my email list. That's pretty much what I do on a daily basis. And this is not complicated. It's a very simple process. And this has been able to generate me personally $300, $500 every single month consistently for the last 3 years. And I have been very, very grateful to this entire process. It's let me feel a lot more of the freedom that the affiliate marketing has to give. Now, is it the end all be all of affiliate marketing? Definitely not. Is it something that's going to help you dip your toes and see whether it's something for you? Then definitely yes. I personally use this strategy, guys, to have the consistency that I need, but then I am always focusing on improving my skill sets, getting better at what I do, and showing up on a daily basis. That is something that really has inspired me in the last few years. What is My Legion Secret? My Legion Secret, guys, in a nutshell, is an offer that gives you 100 leads every single day. These are email leads that you can send out an email once every 24 hours. These email leads, guys, are from the US mainly. They're tier 1 country leads, and they're co-registration leads. What does that mean? Co-registration leads basically means people who have ticked the box and said, yes, I'm interested in getting promotional emails. And the person who has generated those leads basically shares those leads with their partners. And we are one of those partners. Therefore, these are not the best quality leads. I'm going to say this in the first immediately. Okay, these are not the best quality leads, but what they are is they're from tier 1 countries that have a purchasing power that other countries may not have. Therefore, they're a little bit better quality than the lowest quality, but they're not the best leads out there. That's for sure. Also, as a marketer, guys, it is our responsibility to be able to promote, make sure that we're marketing using the skills that are needed to convert those leads into sales. The only thing that My Legion Secret promises is giving you those 100 leads every day. That's the only thing that they guarantee, nothing else. Now, how much does this cost? It costs you $30 to maintain every single month, and it costs you $60 basically in the first month, because it's an additional $30 to get a setup fee done. So the first month is $60, and then $30 every single month after that. Okay. You can sell My Legion Secret and earn an income from it as well. I don't focus on it. I use the traffic for the traffic. Okay. That is what My Legion Secret is. Now, let's talk about products. Let's talk about everything else that I just said. So in this strategy, if you think about it, okay, the way I function with it is that I'm leveraging these, let's say, mid-quality leads to send out an email every day. And why would they buy from me? I want you guys to ask this question, because it will get to the product in through this question. Why will they buy from me, and what will they buy from me? So the first question is, why will they buy from me? Well, the why is pretty simple, because the why is that they need to build a relationship with you. They need to understand that you're solving a problem. So your product should be something that is solving a problem for these people who are interested in making money online, in the wealth niche and so on, right? So either they're looking for a side hustle, either they're looking for another way to make money online, or they are looking for software, or they're looking for some training. You want to solve a problem on email marketing, you want to solve a problem of advertising. Whatever the offer is that you have, if you know what its purpose is, we can start to communicate with these leads in a better way. Okay, so it's going to help you understand that. So that's the first thing to pay attention to. The second thing to pay attention to is the pricing of the offer. Selling My Lead Gen Secret. If somebody has to, let's not use other offers, let's just use My Lead Gen Secret. If somebody has to buy My Lead Gen Secret, let's say that that is the offer that I'm going to be promoting the most. Somebody, all of the leads are willing to spend at least $60. Okay, I use My Lead Gen Secret as a threshold, because if they get started, they're spending $60 that first month, and then $30 every single month after that. So the buying potential in the first go is $60. I use that as a threshold, and so I look for offers within that $60. That could be offers that cost more than $60 but give a bonus, right? I have an offer that I'm promoting right now that actually costs $97. Okay, so it's more than $60, but it has a coupon code and a discount that brings it to $57, right? So that is attractive in terms of a sales process for somebody who's reading that. Says, "Ooh, I would spend otherwise $97, but I'm going to spend $60. I'm going to take that right now," and I get a sale from that. So you have to look at the products in this aspect. Okay, so $60 is the threshold that I use. That's another thing to pay attention to. And lastly, what problem is it solving? Now, I know I kind of addressed this topic before, but what problem is it going to solve is really going to help you. I want you guys to enter into the people's mindset of who are joining My Lead Gen Secret. They're looking for solutions. They're looking for solutions in the make money online niche. And traffic solutions lead to one specific thing. Usually the solutions that you find when it comes to advertising out there are not long-term solutions. So if you have a traffic product that you want to send people, talk to people about, that is cost them monthly recurring payments, guess what? That's going to actually not sell too well. Why? Because at the end of the day, it's taking money out of their pocket instead of putting money into their pocket. When you look at solutions that help the customer put money into their pocket, that's going to convert better and I've actually proven it in the last 3 years that this works better. It's not a mindset that everybody has, but I'm going to say this because a lot of people ask me about the products, right? So this is one thing that I would say is key. Help them get more money into their pocket. So the trainings that I offer help you get better with your email marketing, help you put more money into your pocket, and so that converts really well. I've shared traffic offers, Google traffic offers, directly solo ad traffic offers, maybe even low ticket offers like a click engine and so on and so forth. And they haven't converted as well as I thought they would within My Lead Gen Secret. Why? Because of the fact that they, at the end of the day, take more money out of the person's pocket. So it gets like a month or two passes and then people are like, I don't really want to use this. So help the person and you get the best results. Okay, so when you're looking into offers on Warrior Plus, I would recommend not looking at traffic offers, and I would recommend looking at more training offers, not even software offers, more training offers. This work really well. ClickBank, on the other hand, are service-based offers. So if you go to the marketplace right here on ClickBank, you will see that in e-business and e-marketing, this is the only category that's interested for My Lead Gen Secret, nothing else. Okay, you have live chat jobs as the main one. Then you have Profit Wall, which is a new one, I believe, that's here. Then you have Instadoodle, but wait, let me just do it on Gravity Score, and I believe High to Low, so you guys can see. But it's, yeah, okay. So live chat jobs, Instadoodle is the second one, get paid to use Facebook. These are all the same vendor. Okay, these are service-based jobs. So I've been using basically service-based jobs that solve again a problem. Remember, I said the aspect of putting money into the person's pocket. Live chat job puts money into their pocket. So they're paying for a live chat job to get access to actually having a job that puts money into their pocket. So they're paying for something that actually puts money into their pocket. So if you think about putting money into their pocket, these kind of jobs really, these kind of service-based jobs at least really convert well. So live chat jobs has been converting really well for me. Get paid to use Facebook converts really well for me. Paid online writing jobs convert well. Write app reviews convert well. I haven't tried the rest because, again, I believe that these are more than enough for me to start earning. You don't need a lot of products. Okay, one thing that I want to say to end this video on from the product perspective is that literally, guys, you do not need a lot of products. I spent 1 year promoting just one product on My Legion Secret, not two, not three, not changing every month, one product. And I earned $6,000 in the first year just from that one product by doing this. So the aim over here, obviously those are my results and I cannot guarantee anybody those results. But the whole purpose behind me sharing this information is do not worry about the product so much and focus on making sure that your emails are bridging that gap. Your product is the solution. It has a clear solution. It's putting money into the pockets of the people. Your email is the bridge between the person that is getting to know you, like you, and trust you, and actually purchasing the product. How do you do that? You tell your story. How do you do that? You tell your story. You make sure that the connection of what you're saying, which is solving the problem, which is putting money into their pocket in some way, is reflected and communicated in the email so that the solution is the product. That's how I do my entire marketing on My Legion Secret. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I get a lot of questions related to what product should I promote? Should I change my products every single month? You don't need to. You honestly don't need to. What you need to do if you're not getting results is go back and look at your emails and improve your statistical information and your conversion rate of your emails. Okay? That's my recommendation to you. Guys, if anything, reach out to me in the in the comment section below. If you want to get access to my course, you can find that information in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have subscribed, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true.